Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard-boiled eggs on the stove. First, carefully place your eggs in a single layer at the bottom of a pot. Next, add enough cold water to cover the eggs by about 1 inch. A small amount of salt, around 1/2 teaspoon, can be added to the water. This simple step helps prevent the eggshells from cracking during cooking and makes them easier to peel later. Make sure your pot isn't too crowded. Once your eggs are in the pot with water, bring the water to a full, rolling boil over high heat. As soon as it reaches a vigorous boil, immediately turn off the heat. Do not remove the pot from the burner. Instead, cover the pot tightly with a lid. Let the eggs sit undisturbed in the hot water for 10 to 12 minutes. 10 minutes will give you a slightly jammy yolk, while 12 minutes results in a firm, classic hard-boiled egg. After the resting time, it's crucial to stop the cooking process quickly. Immediately transfer the eggs from the hot water into an ice bath. This means a bowl filled with ice and cold water. Let them cool for at least 5 minutes. This rapid cooling helps prevent a green ring around the yolk and makes peeling much easier. To peel, gently tap and roll the egg on a hard surface to create small cracks, then peel under cool running water, starting from the wider end. Once peeled, hard-boiled eggs can be stored in an airtight container in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. If you prefer to peel them as needed, unpeeled hard-boiled eggs also keep well in the refrigerator for about 1 week. They are a versatile and healthy snack, perfect for salads, sandwiches, or just on their own. Also, check the description for a link to * The Simple Path to Wealth * and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly cooked hard-boiled eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.